Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brashley. Tonight we're gonna be making some good old-fashioned comfort food. Do you wanna get in there?
Chicken and waffles!
Chicken and waffles! That's right, Ashley can make some chicken and waffles. Now our chicken tonight has been provided by Butcher Box. Nice free-range, air-chilled chicken. And that's one of the things we're gonna learn tonight. The difference between air-chilled chicken and water-chilled chicken. We're gonna teach you how to combat electro pollution. Right? And when you are feeling like you need some of that comfort food or comfort fried food, we're going to teach you the best possible way to do that.
Healthy-ish.
Healthy-ish. That's right. Okay, let's get started. Before we get started, guys, remember, we really appreciate it that if you do like the show, please click like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us what you want us to make next. You know, my wife's crying at night because you're not commenting.
I lose sleep over it.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is our chicken, okay? So, very, very simple. What we're going to use today is our nice Butcher Box provided chicken. And we're going to cut that into slices. And then I've already pre-mixed a little egg and a little cashew milk, right? That's just going to be my egg wash. I'm going to dip that through there and then I'm going to bread it.
Dredge it. He's going to dredge it. Dredge.
I'm gonna dredge it in an almond flour with coconut meat, basically, so it's coconut chips. And you chop that up, and we're gonna put a little cayenne, a little paprika, spice it up.
Spice it up.
Spice it up? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. And then, wait, what? Am I just Tourette's again? And then, what am I talking about? So I cut these up into chunks just like this.
Strips. This whole show is just going to be me saying things after he says things.
So I'll take this.
Very tired.
Ash, if you want to give me the plate, just take that just like so.
Just like so.
Okay, so now that all of our chicken strips has been dredged in the almond flour and coconut chips, what we're gonna do, the healthiest way to do this, guys, is we're gonna use coconut oil to fry it up in. We're gonna fry it on each side for maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then we're gonna put it in the oven to bake the rest of the time at a lower temperature. Now, the reason that's the healthiest is because coconut oil is a saturated fat. It's got a high heat temperature, so it's the most stable for frying foods. It's obviously not the best for us to still fry foods, but if you're gonna do it with coconut oil, okay? So, Madame, ready? Let's do it.
Stand back, because it's dangerous.
Stand back, it's not dangerous, I'm a firefighter.
Exactly, for him. Let him.
Whammy! Just a quick tip, if you do have a grease fire, you want to smother that fire.
You said that.
It's never too late. We'll learn again. Okay? You smother that fire with either a lid or a wet cloth, something like that. You never put water on a grease fire, do you? Because what happens?
Oil and water don't
What
mix.
happens? Oil and water. Doesn't mix, that's right. Kind of like Ashley and I. Oil and water. Okay, do you see how it's just browning up? It's got a little bit of a texture to it. That's all you want. You don't want to darken it up. You don't want to cook the chicken through. We're just going to fry it up on both sides and we're going to throw it in the oven, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. So, our fried chicken is in the oven, cooking, ready to go.
Right. That's not a good idea. We only have like
Now
5
we're gonna
minutes.
make our waffles, okay? So these are kind of an almond paleo waffle. We're gonna use almond flour. We're gonna use some eggs, butter, some peanut butter.
Almond butter.
We're gonna use almond butter, okay? So the first things first, I measured out a cup
Yep.
of almond flour.
Yep.
Okay? Now we've doubled this recipe.
Vegetable.
Okay, whatever. We've doubled this recipe because we have
Yes.
Yes, we have gas.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so what we're going to do is we're going to measure out our dry ingredients first. So we have a cup of almond flour, then we have 4 tablespoons of
Coconut sugar.
sweetener. So if it's paleo, we're going to use coconut sugar. Remember, talk about this in another episode. If we can use Erythritol, so which is like the swerve, okay, the alcohol sugars. So we'll do 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar. I'm going to do a half or a tablespoon of baking powder.
1 tablespoon.
Now this helps the stuff, yeah,
That's not it.
that's right.
This is it.
This helps everything rise. Oh God, who's ready for this again? Now, Side note, baking soda and baking powder are really good for cleaning sinks. So what I like to do is just do this a little bit, and then we use the extras to clean the sink. So we'll do a tablespoon of that. Do we need a tablespoon?
Yes.
Oh, did we? Okay.
I don't know, did we?
I don't know, did we? Okay. So, next thing we need to do, mix this up. And Ashley is going to do this very delicate process next. So if you want, I'm
going to kill you. Don't test me, I'm
Okay.
tired. So, if you want fluffy waffles, the trick is to take 2 egg whites, not a whole egg, and you're just going to whip up those whites until they form little peaks. That's going to ensure that your waffle gets fluffy.
You see what I'm doing here? Can you give me another bowl, huh?
What?
Give me another bowl, quick. Oh my god. So not. Doesn't need to be that quick.
Oh, the butter.
Okay, so let me show you again, because we need 2 of these things. So I crack my egg, just like so. And then I'm gonna crack it open like that. Make sure the egg yolk is there. And you're just gonna go side to side with it. Side to side. And get all that egg white out, okay? And then put the yolk, because I still want the yolk.
Can I peek it down? You need to take care of that.
Still want the yolk. What are you yolking? Do you want to tell me a yolk?
That's a horrible
Excuse me, I gotta go.
So, what I'm gonna do is that I have a whisk. I'm just going to start whisking the egg white. So, they use this technique, I don't know if anyone likes macaroons. That's where a macaroon gets its like fluffy, crunchy flavor, is from creating these peaks using egg whites. So just whip it up.
Huh, I found this beautiful champagne glass over there.
That's not why?
That's like, oh.
That's yours. My arm's burning.
So, in a saucepan here, guys, instead of the microwave, I like to use a saucepan instead of ruining some of the, vitamins from the microwave. But we've melted 2 tablespoons, which in our recipe is 4, but 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter, okay? So you want to melt that up. And it's actually mixing those peaks in.
My arm's on fire.
Okay, I think that's good, huh?
No, because they actually peak.
Want some help? Here.
Okay, you do it a little more. And so really get it in there. Yeah, close. And then you gotta just lift them and see if they peak. Nope, not peeking. Can I lift them?
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So that is definitely going to be good enough for us. So we're going to set that aside, guys. Now what we're going to do, I have my dry mixture here, and I've already melted my raw almond butter and my butter. And I'm going to add that to my flour mixture. And as I do that, I'm going to ask my wife Ashley to...
Check on the chicken.
Where's the spatula? Here. I'm going to ask her to measure out the almond flour, the almond milk, or our cashew milk, with the rest of my egg yolks. And we'll just look at that. She measures that out. I'm going to put my butter, my raw almond butter in there. I'm going to mix. Okay. Start mixing that up. This is great for a Sunday meal or Wednesday night. Okay, so our cashew milk, how much is this? Half a cup?
Yep.
How much is it?
It's 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. It's 1 cup.
No, it's a half a cup. So this seems a little bit too much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour about half of this. See, what you want is about a 1/4 cup of cashew milk. Ashley's really bad at math. Okay? She thinks a 1/4 cup and a 1/4 cup is a full cup. That would be 1/4 is 1/4.
And
And then 1. So So what we want to do though, we want to mix the egg yolk and add half a cup of, it's okay baby. Usually when I say, hey baby, go take a left up here, because I have to say left when it's right, okay? It's all good. We'll have strength, Ashley's amazing at right. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time here guys.
And the egg whites.
Not yet.
Okay. But I'm going to check on the chicken.
And then actually, Ash, if you want to just grab the vanilla for me. Now, because you can't really do this without vanilla, I'm going to throw some of that vanilla in here, huh? Yeah, throw the whole thing. Cool. And then if you want to give me some cinnamon. So we always like to add cinnamon to our baked goods, right? Control that blood glucose levels, okay? So keep adding that. Now, add a little bit more of this milk. Not sure how much it is.
Shut up.
It's okay. Okay, so our batter's looking good. It's in a pan cup. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold in our egg whites. Okay. So throw in my egg whites. See how fluffy those are? Wow. Yeah. So we just want to fold those in. Okay.
Ooh.
Fold that in. That's gonna keep the waffle fluffy. Okay. Oh my god, yeah, I can tell it's fun. Hope you guys like knuckle waffles. Good thing I wash my hands. Okay. Keep folding that in. Nice. Okay. So, we bought a waffle maker for this, okay? So I've just folded it in. You don't want to mix. You want to fold it in. Fold those egg whites in. Okay? We found the cinnamon. I've added a little bit of cinnamon, maybe a teaspoon of cinnamon in there. And I'm just going to fold that in, okay? Now, what we want to do is I'm going to open my waffle maker. And I'm just going to grease it a little bit with some grass-fed butter. Okay? Both top and bottom. Okay? Wash that in. Now, I'm going to take my spoon here. I'm just going to spoon it in.
Spoon it.
Okay. Spoon my mixture in. So it's going to cover 4 quadrants. The waffles are messy, but that's kind of half the fun. And now all I'm going to do, close that baby up. Okay, once my light turns green, I'm going to be ready to go. Okay guys, so our waffle is done. I may have overcooked this one just a bit, but it's our first time using this waffle maker. Okay, so let's do it like this. Yeah, I've overcooked.
It's okay, that one's mine.
That one's Ashley's. Okay, so our waffle is done. Now what we want to do is we take a little bit of melted raw almond butter with a little bit of butter. We're just gonna spread this on just like so. Okay. I'm gonna take this. It's all about presentation, folks. We got a little maple syrup, pure maple syrup. We'll go the opposite way on that. Now, you need a nice little arugula, because you need your greens. Now, Ashley, here's the resistance. Okay. Now, I got some chicken here. 1 and 2, just like so. Now I got some nice jalapenos from the garden. Oh my god, how good is that looking? And then we top it off with a little. Okay, we have ourselves some chicken and waffles. We have some nice comfort food. Check that, baby.
Delish!
You like that? You like that?